Hello. My name is Kevin Owasinte and welcome to Teach Yourself Test Automation Day 5. So we are basically invoking web browsers using Selenium WebDriver, okay, with Java. So today we are going to invoke the Chrome web browser, right? And we are going to launch the BBC website. So that's our mini script, right? So if we launch over to Eclipse, which is our IDE, our editor we're going to be using to automate our test scripts. And here I've just done an underline of what we're going to do, right? Invoke the Chrome browser and launch a BBC website, right? So there are two steps that are common to all your test scripts you're going to write using Selenium WebDriver with Java, right? And that's the first is to set a system property, and the second is to create an object, right? So for your ChromeDriver class, right? So this is the class that has been given by Selenium for your Chrome browser, right? For your Chrome browser. We'll see this later. So let's start by setting a system property, right? So Selenium have set properties for all the major browsers, right? And this is the property for the Chrome browser, okay? So it's webdriver.chrome.driver, okay? And because we're using the web drivers are third-party drivers and don't belong to Selenium. Selenium have been given a .exe file, right? A .exe file that they have to invoke first. And once you invoke that .exe file, then your browser is invoked, right? So we have to write that Java code line just now, right? So to set your system properties, you need to have your Chrome property, and this is your Chrome property right here for your Chrome browser. It's different for Firefox and all that. So if we head to my blog, if we go down, scroll down to the properties, these are all the properties, right? That have been set out by Selenium team, right? So that's for the Chrome browser, and that's for IE. Yeah, so those are the browsers right there, their respective properties, right? So let's head back. So what we want to do is simple step system dot. So you want to scroll down, remember your setting properties, look for set properties, and what you want to have is a string key and a string value, okay? Double click on that. Now you want to put this in double quotes. You want to put in your Chrome browser property, right? So you put that in here. Now this value is the path to your .exe file, right? Now we haven't downloaded our .exe file, so you have to head over to the Selenium HQ website, the official website, and you scroll down to this bit which says third-party browser drivers not developed by Selenium HQ, right? And if you're going to be using Chrome as we are, you have to download this, which is your Google Chrome driver. So you want to click on latest. It's going to take you to another page, which is where you have the ChromeDriver, WebDriver for Chrome. downloads, and you want to click this. So it's ChromeDriver, and this is the latest version, right? So no matter what version is there, you want to download that, right? And that should take you to the .exe file, right? And you want to be downloading this one, right? I've already downloaded this, and I have it on my system, right? And once you download it, you want to unzip it. And once you've unzipped it, you want to copy it onto your C drive or onto your download docs, right? I have it on my C drive. So I went to C drive, I went to users, OS, and mine is sitting right at the bottom here, right? So that's for my Chrome, right? And I have that path. I have that path already somewhere. So this is where I have it. So after you get your path, you want to put the ChromeDriver.exe. Remember, it's a file, right? And you want to copy that. Head back to Eclipse, and you want to drop it in there. Don't forget don't forget that. Now, so that is, we have set our system properties, right? So the property of ChromeDriver, oh, you want to change this because you need double slashes, right? Not, right? So that should be grand, right? So you want to point your ChromeDriver property to where your .exe file is located in your computer, right? So that's your first step. Now, the second step is you need to create an object, right? You need to create an object for your ChromeDriver class, right? So you want to head back to, sorry about that, you want to head back to the Selenium HQ website. Right now, when you're here, what you want to look for is your Java docs, right? So we are writing our test cases in Java, right? So you want to locate your Java docs, right? So head over, look here, Java docs, click on your Java doc. You'll be taken to, oh, my computer has been quite slow. You'll be taken to where you have all the class packages for your WebDriver, right? So you want to go, all your packages, right, that you need. You want to scroll down here, and basically what you're looking for WebDriver, right? You want to click on WebDriver. Now, WebDriver is just an interface, right? So it's through the interface of WebDriver that you're going to be using all the methods that are provided with WebDriver to actually automate your tests, your Selenium test scripts, right? So the interface WebDriver, you have various classes for all your major browsers, right? Now for Chrome, this is your class, right? So you want to set an object for your ChromeDriver class, right? So how do you do that? Let's head back to Eclipse, right? Now there's a syntax in Java on how to do this, right? So what's your class? It's just your class name, and then your object. So your object is driver. It goes to new is just an operator, right? The new is an operator, which is a window for all your driver methods, right? And equals class name again, right? Class name, and that's it. right? So what's your class name? Your class name is ChromeDriver, right? As it is right here. So your class name is ChromeDriver. We'll copy that. We'll get that here. I'll put ChromeDriver, and again ChromeDriver. Now this will be fine like this, but remember, WebDriver is the interface that you use to provide all the methods for Selenium to run your test cases, right? So you want to connect your WebDriver interface to your objects, right? So your object is driver, so you want to change this to WebDriver, right? So you can give all the knowledge, yeah, all the knowledge to your driver, right? So you get all the methods needed to be able to automate your test cases, right? So if you see now, you have got a red underlining on WebDriver and also on the ChromeDriver. So you want to hover over ChromeDriver and you want to import the various packages, right? Packages that are held in your jar file, Selenium jar files, right? So you click on import ChromeDriver and you want to do the same here and click on import WebDriver, right? So the packages are imported up the top, right? I had that there already, so I took it off, right? But I put them back in. That was just so that I could show you that, okay? Now what you want to do, so you've got your first step written, which that is setting your system properties, and you have set driver as an object, right? Driver as an object, and using your ChromeDriver class, you want to use WebDriver, all the methods from WebDriver, using your driver as an object to automate all your test scripts, right? So all you have to do now, if you watch this, if you use your object, which is driver dot, now all your methods from the WebDriver interface are listed below, right? That's how easy it is now. You just have to find what you want to do, right? Now what we want to do is actually launch the BBC website, right? So what do you think we get here? So it's get. Let's look now. So you want to get URL or get string? You want to get string, right? And the string is www.bbc.co.uk, and that's us, right? So we have successfully written our 2 steps to invoke our ChromeDriver, and now we can launch the BBC website, right? So let's run that and see what happens. Straight away we get an error. So what is the error? So it says the path. It doesn't recognize the path, right? It doesn't recognize my path. To my right, I'll check my path. Let's check my path. This is quite good because you can see right here how I'm debugging stuff, right? And then let's check my path, right? So we go to users, WhatsApp, and that's it right there. So I don't know why, if I take that and actually leave it here, So it's just on the C drive. So I'll take that. Copy that. Go back in. Leave it at my C drive right there. Paste that there. Doesn't like that either. Okay, that's fine. Now all I need to do is go here, my C drive, and that should be that. Okay, I'll try and run it again. So hopefully you saw what I did there. I just checked my location for my .exe file, right? Let's run it now and see what happens. Right, it's invoked the Chrome browser. That's the Chrome browser invoked, and hopefully it should launch the BBC website, which it hasn't. Right, so we go back. This is great. What has it thrown there? Something about versions, right? False browser name. Right, so that's correct. That's correct. It's fine. Debug this, right? So this is quite good. This is good. I haven't faced things like this before. So this is debugging stuff, right? Application cache enabled, browser connected enabled, false browser name, unhandled inspector. Exception in main browser expect. Cancel. Right. Dot. Get string. Let's try get URL. Dot get string. Let's give a proper, maybe my website. Let's go for Google. In Google we type, maybe I not type my website out correctly, right? Let's go for that. And then we'll go for that. That was it, right? That was it. That was it. So head back to Eclipse. Now, people, you see, this is debugging stuff, right? So now we go to runners, Java application. Okay, right? This is practicing and teaching myself how to do stuff, right? So if you've checked that out, then you see all the mistakes I've done and I've rectified every single one. Okay, that's learning. Thank you. So now browser launched, and it should launch BBC website. There you go. Exactly. So thank you very much. Our wee mini test case complete, and we should say cheerio for now, and we'll see you on day 5. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and in my YouTube channel, leave comments, leave feedback, and it will be great for us to learn this together. Okay, so this is exciting stuff. First mini test case run to invoke Chrome browser. Okay, and we'll do the same for Firefox and IE. Okay, for more practice. Remember, it's just practice, and you will get this just spot on, right? As I am going along with as well. Okay, thank you. See you day 6. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, feedback. Thanks. Bye.